What's up? We are here at Haus Fab, Haus Fab, whatever you want to call it, which whenever is more family friendly for you. See the boy. We rocking the gear today.
All day, every day.
This man is excellent welder. I came to him for this. I wouldn't just go to anybody. See that crack? That's aluminum too, so you know. Got to make sure it gets done right. Look at this guy. He's got 2J FRS, RX-7. These are his personal cars. This man's been working on this shit forever, but you know, trust the process. He doesn't rush things. And yeah, I'm gonna get this shit set up. He's gonna TIG weld it. Yeah, TIG weld it. We also got my boy Ricky's Volks, which, by the way, a fucking fully forged 3-piece wheel is so light. It is unbelievable. Like, ridiculous. It shouldn't even exist. Also out here, we got Javi's S14. Just, you know, chilling. This thing's fucking clean. The man's got it, bro. The man's got the sauce. So, yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera wherever he sets up, and then we'll get it back rolling again.
It's like the nicest wheel that I've gonna whip. All the other ones like have been dirty. I did one recently where it had like under the curve of the lip on the inside, it had bead sealer. So when I'd weld it, I couldn't even dig it out because it was under metal.
That's so weird.
And it just, every time I heat it up, it just fucking come out. Nice. I'm gonna drill a hole into your wheel.
I was about to say, I'm making sure I understand the process here. So yes, the next step is to drill a hole to stop the crack from spreading. That's the reason for that.
Yeah, you don't want to be driving around, hit something, and it crack even more, even though it's welded.
Yeah, you can always re-crack your welded wheel if there's room for it to spread.
Yeah, you want to sometimes, like, depending on how it sits, dig into it so that you get a full weld penetrate all the way through. Just so you don't have reoccurring problems.
Again, the reason why I came to Aaron. It's the man right here, Aaron. I think that is enough footage for today. He's still gotta do those 2 wheels, but I'm probably gonna drop them off, pick them up another time, because I don't necessarily, actually we don't, Ricky doesn't need them, I don't need any of this yet either, but thought I'd record it for content purposes. Now it's time to go pick up my baby, get some food, and go home.
Yay, Opie!
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks.